In today's video, we're going to have a call with Roland Leggett, another modern workplace specialist, and he's going to explain the difference between teams and channels, and when creating more channels is better than creating more teams. Roland, could you explain a bit about what the difference is between channels and teams, and when you would use a channel instead of creating a new team?
That's a fantastic question, Aldo. I often see people creating literally hundreds of teams, and the teams that they create are to discuss different projects for departments. Now, best practices are to create multiple channels within a team. You could align your team to a department. So, for example, we could have the marketing department, and then within the marketing department, we would have multiple channels, and each channel would represent a different project or a different venture or event that the marketing department were doing. What I believe is the wrong way and is considered to not be best practice by Microsoft is to have multiple teams and only one channel in each of those teams. Sometimes I think the general channel, which is the first channel that people create or that gets created in a team, people put all of their eggs into the general basket. They put all of their eggs into the one channel where they should have multiple channels. Each team you create uses resources on the back end, like creating SharePoint team sites, creating Exchange groups, and the best practices is less teams, more channels, although less teams, more channels.
Awesome, thank you, Roland. And what about the difference between what's the difference between a public and a private channel?
Okay, so a public channel means that anybody who is a member of the team will automatically be given access to all of the channels within the team. Now, if you wanted to only have a subset of the people in the team see a particular channel, you could create a private channel. Now, the caveat here is you need to be a member of the team to access a private channel within a team. I can't have somebody who is not a member of that team accessing the private channel. So what I could have is I could have the marketing team, and inside the marketing team, I would say, well, there's 3 people in the marketing team that need access to the financials around marketing. There's 17 people all up in the marketing team, but I could create a private channel called financials and only allow those 3 team members access to that private channel.
Can everybody see the private channel, or is it just those that are invited into it?
You'll notice that the private channel has a little padlock on it to indicate that the inheritable permission has really been blocked at that level.
Roland, I'd just like to say thank you so much for taking the time today and sharing your insights with us.
Aldo, thank you very much for your assistance today. And guys, it's been an honor talking to you.